Good morning, students. Today I'll be taking the prerequisite lectures for foundation of the cubic crystals, which is omitted in the syllabus right now because you have already covered in the 12th standard. But before we go to the difficult structures like diamond, NaCl and HCP, I would like to remind you certain parameters which are supposed to be done or recalled from the crystal background, crystal foundation topics. Just like cubic crystal, and so cubic crystal we will be talking in detail today. So the cubic crystals are three type of crystals: simple cubic, body centered cubic and face centered cubic. In simple cubic you have the atoms which are present only at the corners. In body centered cubic the atoms are present at the corners and also one atom at the center of the cube. In face-centered cubic FCC, the atoms are present at corners and one atom is present at the center of each face. So therefore, you can see the difference here. Here only corner atoms are there. Here corner plus one body-centered, and here corner plus one face, six face-centered atoms are there. Now, simple cubic, body centered and face centered, again we will try to see that what is another difference between them. In simple cubic, each atom at the corner is shared by 8 unit cells. In body centered, each atom at the center is a part of only one unit cell, and here each atom at the face center will be shared by 2 unit cells. So therefore here we have only corner atoms. So you will have corner atoms which are one, each corner atom will be shared by 8 unit cells. Here you will have corner atom plus one atom at the center. So corner is already shared by 1/8 and the center one is shared by only one unit cell. Here you will have corner which is shared by 1/8 and plus the face center which is six face centers we are shared by 2 unit cells. You can look at the diagram, the simple cubic diagram. Here you can see the atoms are present only at the corners. The diagram looks, or the whole crystal structure looks like this. Here you have the atoms at the corners plus one body centered. So the whole crystal structure gives you a view like this. And here you will have all the corner atoms plus all six faces, face centered atoms. So this is highly packed structure and this is the way it will look. Now we will go one by one for each of the cubic cell. What are its basic parameters? The four basic parameters we'll be talking. That is average number of atoms per unit cell, small n, atomic radii to R. Then we will be talking about coordination number and also we'll be talking about APS. So first we go to the average number of atoms per unit cell. So it has corner atoms and each corner atom is divided into 1/8. So therefore it will be 8 corners are there and each one of them is divided by 1/8. So this will be total 1. So total number of average number of atom per unit cell is n is equal to 1. So you can see the diagram like this. Basically these atoms will be touching each other in like this. When you have a diagram, we show it a very small atom, but actually the atoms will be touching each other. So now next one we go to atomic radius, where it is, you can see the whole crystal structure over here and just have a look at this. Two atoms are touching each other like this. So therefore this is the distance between the two atoms here is nothing but A. So A is equal to 2R, or rather 2R is equal to A and R is equal to nothing but A by 2. Next, we go to coordination number for simple cubic. So coordination number is the number of nearest neighboring atom around any atom in the crystal lattice. For simple cubic coordination, this number is 6. So can we have a look here? So if we take this into the consideration, this atom, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, or maybe we can take any corner. So you'll have 1 here, 2 here, 3 here, 4 here, 5 here and 6 here. So each corner atom will be surrounded by 6 nearest neighbors of its own kind, and so the coordination number is nothing but 6. Atomic packing factor, it's a ratio of the volume occupied by the atoms in a unit cell to the total volume the unit cell. So what is the formula? APF is given as number of atoms per unit cell. This will be small n. into volume of each unit cell, which is supposed to be a spherical. Okay, we know that spherical, the atom will be spherical, and divide by volume of the entire unit cell, because cell is A into A into A, so it is A cube. So n is equal to 1 into 4 by 3 pi r cube by A cube. But r can be written as per this, because we know 2r is equal to A, or r is equal to A by 2. So we will substitute here A by 2 whole cube divided by A cube. So this A cube and A cube will cancel. Whatever numbers we try to find out the division, we will get nothing but 0.52. So the packing efficiency will be this 0.52 into 100, 52%, and the void will be nothing but 100 minus 52% is 48%. You can see that these are very comparable numbers. That is, its occupancy is 52%, but its void is also quite large. That is 48%. Now we go to the next one, that is body centered cubic. Again, we will do the 4 parameters N, R, APF, and the coordination number. Okay. So here the total number of atoms per unit cell is corner atoms into its contribution, because it will have corner plus the body center into its contribution. So corner atoms are 8 into 1 by 8 plus 1 body centered into it's shared by only one unit cell. So you will get n is equal to nothing but 2. That is because this is 1 and this is 1, 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. Similarly, when you talk about atomic radius, now you have to pay attention over here. When we are finding atomic radius, let us take this diagonal. Okay, this diagonal. Here is one atom, here is one atom, and here is a half atom here, half. So this is 1r, 2r, and this is 2r already, so 4r. So this body diagonal is nothing but 4r. That is equal to a root 3. When we take another view of this three-dimensional view of this one, we can see that by Pythagoras theorem, I can say this body diagonal BD is equal to if I take it as Pythagoras, then this BD should be equal to a square plus FD square. Okay, so this is BD square is equal to a square plus FD square, but FD square is also because of this a square and a square. So FD square itself will be 2a square. So BD square is equal to a square plus 2a square, or BD, if you take out the under root of it, then it will be a root 3, but that is equal to nothing but 4r. So a root 3 is equal to 4r, or r is equal to a root 3 by 4. So therefore, this atomic radii r for BCC will be a root 3 by 4. Coordination number will be 8, because if you have this body diagonal over here, then all 8 which are surrounded by it, it will have its closest neighbors. So therefore the coordination number is 8. Atomic packing fraction, n into 4 by 3 pi r cube by a cube. But n is how much? 2. So 2 into 4 by 3 pi r cube. But what is r? A root 3 by 4 whole cube. So divide by a cube. A cube and a cube will get cancelled. All the numbers will give you 0.68. So packing efficiency will be nothing but 68%, and the void will be 32%. So now you can see that this BCC is more packed than the simple cubic, because its void has reduced from 48% to 32%. Similarly, we move on to the face-centered cubic. Here the number of atoms per unit cell will be number of the corner atoms into its contribution plus number of face-centered atoms, these ones, into its contribution to the whole unit cell. So the 8 into 1 by 8 plus there are 6 faces, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 into 1 by 2, since each face is divided by 2 unit cells, so therefore you will get nothing but 1 plus 1, 3 is equal to 4. So total number of atoms per unit cell in a face-centered is 4. Atomic radii will be 4r is equal to a root 2. Just have a look at this. We will see the phase diagonal. So this is r plus 2r plus r. This is 4r. And a root 2, that is equal to a root 2, because if you take this Pythagoras, then a square plus a square will be this side. And if you take out the square root of it, then it will be a root 2. So therefore, 4r is equal to a root 2, or r is equal to a root 2 by 4. When we talk about coordination number, each corner atom is touched by 4 faces. So center atom in the xy plane will have 4 faces. In the yz also you will get 4, and in the zs also you will get 4. So therefore they are total 12 neighboring atoms, or coordination number is 12. Atomic packing fraction, n into 4 by 3 pi r cube. This is r cube divided by a cube. But what is n? N is equal to 4. 4 into 4 by 3 pi r cube. But r is what? R is a root 2 by 4 cube. A cube and a cube will cancel all the numbers. They will give you 0.74. And so therefore the packing efficiency is 74%. And when you take the void is only how much? 26%. So this seems to be the highest packed structure. So therefore, we will have the summation of all the summary of all the parameters for a three cubic structure. Right now, ignore this HCP. So simple cubic, BCC and FCC. Atom per unit cell for SC1, BCC2, FCC4. Atomic radius is A by 2, A root 3 by 4, A root 2 by 4. Nearest neighbor 2R, that is multiply this above into 2. So you'll get A. This is nothing but A root 3 by 2 and this is A root 2 by 2. Coordination number will be nothing but 6, 8 and 12. Atomic packing fraction we have derived 0.52, 0.68, 0.74. So packing efficiency, that is multiplying this into 100, 52%, 68%, 74%. Void space will be nothing but 48%, 32% and much less 26%. Similarly, the density will be calculated as per this, where the formula will be explained in the next lecture. Thank you very much.